Hi, my name is Jagdish. Welcome to PHP Tutorials class part 1. Before going to introduce you what is PHP, I will explain you about what is programming. Programming is a set of instructions which is used to do some task by machine itself, not by humans. I will explain you by taking with a real world example. If you have some own business like hospital, school, or a medical shop. If you want to store the customer details, if you do with if you write in books, means a lot of books will be required, and you continuously entering the data into books. But at one point of time, it is very difficult to manage that books. Like how many books we can store in a how many books we can store, even though if you store that such books, uh, um, it can be damaged damaged or tampered something tampered. There is a chance of damage there is a chance of damage of this there is a chance of there is a chance of damaging to the book. And if you want to search data for a particular customer, it is not possible to read all the books and get the particular data. So programming languages has been evolved according to our requirement. Many programming languages has been came to existence. So learning a one programming languages will helps to learn more programming languages, because every programming languages has its own syntax, but writing logical things will be the same manner in all programming languages. Okay, I hope you understand what is programming. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please mail me. Okay, thank you.